Hello everyone, welcome to EME Technologies. My name is Munish Sharma and today I will tell you how to make your own obstacle sensor using IR LED and photodiode. So the basic components you need for this is the main power source 9-volt battery. Two 9-volt batteries will be there, and after that a battery cap to connect the battery to the load, and this is a SPST push button which will turn on when we press it like this. Okay, this is a IR LED. You cannot see the IR rays with your eyes, but you can see it with the camera of your phone. After that, when I will power up this, IR radiations will be emitted through this IR LED and received by this photodiode. Photodiode basically is a component whose resistance is changed when IR rays is fall on it. After that, this is a output LED which is of green color. When the IR radiations fall on it, this LED will glow. This particular photo transistor will activated when the IR rays fall on it. When I put any obstacle between it, the resistance will be increased and the LED will turn off. Okay, so first of all, let's change the components. So now the power source is connected and this is our transmitter and this is our receiver. Now you can see the LED is not glowing, but when I turn on this, the LED starts glowing. As you can see, the LED can be seen from the camera. It is glowing. When any obstacle pass through it, the LED is turned off like this. Okay, so you can make your own and use it as a door lock system and many more features it have. The intensity depends upon the power source you are using. If the power source is greater, the intensity will be more. Like I used 9-volt battery, so it has a lot of intensity of light, so it can be seen. The more farther the source is, the more less of the LED intensity will be there. The more closer the source is, the LED will glow brighter like this. Okay, so you can make it your own. Thank you very much. Do like our video.